Yo.
CBX1000Z, the CB1, with a black engine, which is not original, but the former owner painted it black. It's not an engine of the Rolling, but it's a CB1 engine, and this engine runs really good. It has had a top-end rebuild, very original bike for the rest. You can see the bike is very good condition. Paintwork is very nice. Details. Maybe you change this into black ones. Engine is real quiet. CB1. Seat is original, but as most, they have a little scar here, so we can replace that for a new one. Koni shocks. Really responds very well on the gas. So if you're looking for a CBX, well, this could be an interesting bike. Because of the black engine, it's a bit lower priced, but for the rest the bike is really top. Original exhaust on it. Everything is working fine. The handlebar, as you can see, it's just mounted the other way around, and sometimes they do it because when someone is smaller, you're a bit closer to the handlebar. If it was my bike, I would maybe change them like it is original. If you're interested in this beautiful CBX, then contact me to get more information on price, or visit the website vintagemotorcycles.nl. There you can find pictures, video and price, and you can order the bike. You can ship worldwide for interesting prices. And if you like this video, maybe have a look at our YouTube channel also, subscribe and follow us. More videos to come. Okay, thank you for watching this time. I hope to see you back soon. Bye bye.